Well, we're here, and I'm thinking this is most probably the worst case of home renovation I've seen in all my years of working with doors and glass. Someone's decided to put up a fly screen, security screen, and yeah, I don't know how they're going to keep the flies out with no fly wire. Maybe they're going to wake up every morning and spray the door with Aerogard or something like that. Well, at least they put 3 hinges. 1, 2, and 3. And yeah, 3 screws. 1 screw on each hinge. 1, 2, 3. Let's have a look at something else. Front door installed. Yeah, 2300 from 40 millimeters. Yeah. Well, maybe the gap on the jamb on the hinge side is a little bit too much. I mean, that's a 1.5 millimeter packer. It's got a little bit of play. Yeah, they made a bit of an effort. No gap whatsoever down there. But then this is a 10 millimeter packer. Yeah, well, there's more than a 10 millimeter gap on the handle side. Yeah, and even more on the top of the door. I guess they like to keep their handles nice and close together. I don't want the handles to get lonely. That's the reason they put them so close together. Normally I think about a 6-inch spacing between the deadlock and the entry set is pretty well standard. Let's go to the bathroom. Yep. We've got quite a nice frameless glass shower enclosure, which basically designed to keep the water in the shower. I'm guessing someone should have told the installer that you want to keep the water in the shower, you need the silicone between the glass and the wall tiles. Otherwise you're going to get water going out. As you can see, this packer fits quite easily between the glass and the wall. This is how it should have been done. Nice, neat silicone filler between the glass and the wall. Stop the water going out. Yeah, well, like I said, it's probably the worst case of home renovation I've seen in quite a while. And I'm here to make improvements. Let's take a walk around. Now, we live in South Australia, which is the driest state and the driest continent of the world. Yeah, guttering on the roof is a good idea, but I guess we don't have to worry about downpipes. It doesn't rain very much in South Australia. Yes, what little water falls can just go into the gut and straight down onto the ground. No need for downpipes. And just in case you forgot to have a shower in the morning, as you walk out your back door and it happens to have a bit of a drizzle, you're going to be pleasantly surprised by a flow of water from the downpipe, which isn't there, or shall I say the gutter, which doesn't have a downpipe. So there's a outlet which is right above the rear doorway. If you happen to step out of your door and it's raining, you're going to get a bit of a shower. This is the laundry. We have a laundry trough. Something's wrong with my mouth this morning. We have an area for the washing machine. We have some connections for the hot and cold water for the washing machine, and the original setup was like this. No hole to get your pipes through to the connections. Well, I had to make a hole. You can pass the pipes through the laundry cupboard to connect to the hot and cold water. You really want to have the pipes on the outside, around here somewhere. Save you having to drill holes through the laundry cupboard. But we look around a little bit. We see a kitchen, yeah, nice kitchen. Just decide to open a cupboard door. And what do we have here? A water outlet inside the kitchen cupboard door. I guess this is where the washing machine was supposed to be fitted. On top of the kitchen bench top. Yeah. Bit of space here between the kitchen cupboards and the wall for the mice to walk through. We don't want to make it too difficult for them to come in and out of the kitchen. What else is there? Oh yeah, maybe somebody was colourblind because they've got two different coloured cupboards, off-white and white, and yeah, no kicker. Yeah. I mean, the mice have to have somewhere to go.